So here's my Monster in a Box version 2.0. I have another piece of wood. I just have this uncovered until I decide how I'm going to cut it. I'm either going to put all the planks on and then have a break in it. Looks like a jagged edged whole piece of glass type look. Or I'll put a piece of wood here and then put bars like a jail cell. And these lights here, I might change them out or remove them altogether. I haven't decided. I wish when I designed this box I would have left enough room for gaps in between. I guess I could run these through the table saw and do that, but that's not going to happen this year. I might replace them with LEDs. Here is the windshield wiper motor, and this is a cam. The screws here, so when it turns, it can get caught and it won't spin because there's not enough. I can't tighten this enough, basically, and I gotta find a coupler nut. It's like an M8, and there doesn't seem to be any around. Inside here, I have the media player, which this is the new replacement, and that's having issues. I have it on an adapter so I could play VGA. Might have to reorder the one I had before because this one will only work with a remote control. The other one just didn't work right at all. Maybe I got a dud. There's the power supply down there. Big power supply for the monitor. Multiple outlets. So let's turn this down. And first things first is I am going to plug this all in. There are speakers. They will be going inside. If I have time, or maybe next year, Monster in a Box 3.0, this whole thing will shake. The motor will also drive like a post into the ground to cause us to rack back and forth. I'll have like a half round bottom so it can easily rack back and forth. But it's going to be pretty cool. Monster in a Box 2.0. I think the one single one will look better. Otherwise I would have to have like a cage almost in front of it. But anyway, just thought I'd share those with you. This is very similar, just with green eyes. But you get the idea. Now the lid on this will only go up and down when someone walks by, so they'll see the eyes, they'll hear them creeping, but it's only when they walk close near it that it's going to go off, and that should give them a good jump and a scare when they go to check it out. And that's all I got for Monster in a Box version 2.0 for today.